Hey, what's up, Vechain holders? So this time the Vechain is completely fails down, my friend. And why they fails down, I told you in this video. And what's my prediction to in upcoming days? They going up or they fails down again. And yes, what's the new target of a Vechain? Can Vechain hit the target? Please, the CEO of Vechain make this target to they can hit it easily. So please, I tell you, my friend, the Vechain target everything in this video, and also share my opinion in this video to sell, hold, or buy everything in this video is going very important, my friend. I get started, but please, I request you, my friend, to if you are new on our channel, then most welcome. If you want to you or be my friend, then absolutely you subscribe, my friend. Please, you are already my friend, but please subscribe our YouTube channel. And if you want to recently personally message me that on Instagram or Twitter, everywhere you message me, the links all available in my channel. So go now and message. Thank you so much. Okay, my friends, come to the point. This time, if you can see here, my friend, I already opened the last 7 days chart, and I am very happy to Vechain just in positive result, absolutely, because those days all crypto, my friends, only the Dutch coin also one of the viral coin, and this time they going up like a rocket, absolutely, and this time they falls down, my friend. But Vechain, you can see here this time in the last 7 days gone good, but I think in the last 1 hour or 2 days, absolutely they also, my friends, falls down. Sorry for that. You can see here, my friends, this time what's my prediction. First of all, let's see the prediction, my friend. If you can see here, after a fails they take a jump. You can see here this is circulation. Okay, my friend, you can see here. So after this circulation, my friends, we decide to they going up in upcoming days or they fails down, my friend. You can see here after a fail they take a jump. So here is also this season. You can see here after a fail they take a jump. Exactly, after a fail they take a jump, my friend. So this circulation and move off in upcoming days, absolutely they can go up like a rocket. So Vechain holder alert, please. Okay, I told you today going up in upcoming days, absolutely, if they going like a rocket. And this type you can see here the circulation. Okay, my friend, this time you can see here 0.27 US dollar is the latest price, and 0.95% they go up. So the latest price, as you can see here, 0.27, and the target, my friends, the target is half US dollar. Exactly, the half US dollar is the target, my friend. Okay, let's see the last 1 hour too. Oh my goodness, I tell you, my friends, today gonna fly like a rocket. So I am right. You know why I am right? Because I follow this formula to after affairs they take a jump. Absolutely, and this is reality. You can see here 11.79% they're gonna up. No coin has go up like that. But absolutely, Vechain is one of the unique coin you can see here, and I hope this time you can see here they just hit 0.2 US dollar, and I hope just at the end of month they give you a half US dollar. So my friend, if you want any plan to buy more than exactly, this is good time to you buy it, hold it, and wait for the end of this month. I hope they give you a very good profit, mind-blowing profit. So thanks for watching, friends. Please like and subscribe our YouTube channel for more this type video. Please like this video and subscribe our YouTube channel.